Hi there, my name is Kodi Riddle and I want to thank you for joining me today. I just want to share with you why I do these videos and send them out to you. Thank you again for joining me. Today I just want to let you know why I send these videos out and take the time to do these crazy things. And really the reason is twofold. Number one, we just want to bring to you the knowledge that we have about real estate. So anything from letting you know about how the market's doing, is it a buyer's or seller's market, to 1031 exchanges and how to do your investments the best way possible. So there's just lots of information to share, and we do these videos to get that information from my brain to yours. And then the second reason, which I just kind of realized in the past couple of days, our whole team is making a bunch of phone calls. We're calling our sphere, the people that we know. We're calling our past clients that have used us over the past 20 years. And what I'm finding out is that we have not always been the top of mind, the thought about if your friends or family need a real estate company. And so I want to make sure I put that out there and ask that of you. I do want to be there in your mind if you run across a person that you love, a person that you like, know, and trust, that you want to refer somebody that's good and that is going to do a great job for them. And so I ask you for those referrals. We will step up. I know you care about them and we care about them too. I'll make you proud. I'll make you look good. And I want to make sure I put that out there to all of you. It's just a reminder. We are out here and we look forward to helping those people that you care about. So those are the reasons why we do these videos. We hope you like them. Certainly unsubscribe if you don't, but if you do like them, I'll plan and I'll keep sending them. Thank you all. Bye.